Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Gemini Crypto Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gemini Crypto Trading App on your device and you will see the Create a Free Account button. Go ahead and tap on it and now choose your location and your desired language. Then tap on Continue and you will then be allowed to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you wish to use with your account. After entering your email address, you can proceed forward and you will be allowed to create a password for your account. Type in your desired password within the given box by following the criteria and then tap on Create Account. Now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. Once you check your inbox, you will find your verification code. So just type it in within the given box and now you can create your passkey for your app. Provide your biometrics and now enter your phone number to verify. Once the verification is completed with your phone number as well, you can start using the Gemini Crypto Trading App on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Gemini Crypto Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.